Hi there, students. Clarion, an adjective, almost always in the phrase a clarion call. Okay, clarion as an adjective means clear, easy to hear, and quite loud and clear, high pitched. And then a clarion call, a very clear message or instruction about what is needed. So the recent freak weather conditions that we've been having are a clarion call for us to do something about climate change. Yes, the weather conditions are a clarion call for change. The poverty in this area clearly is a clarion call for us to do something about poverty in this region. It's a clarion call to action. It was a clarion call to make a concerted effort and work together against this problem. Yes, his health condition had deteriorated, and it was a clarion call that he needed to lose weight and lead a much more healthy lifestyle. Okay, so a clarion call, a very clear call, something that is unmistakable. Let's see, a clarion originally, it's like a medieval brass instrument related to a trumpet. I think it's one of these very long, it's a long tube with an end, and sort of like the mail coaches would have, okay? And it makes a loud, clear sound. Let's see, you can probably use clarion in other circumstances, but mostly to talk about sound. The clarion trumpet sounds resounded throughout the room. The soprano sang her clarion top notes, brilliant, clear, distinctive, and easy to hear. Okay, but a clarion call, an appeal for urgent action. This is the injustice in this country is a clarion call to resistance. It's a clear, ringing, inspiring thing that is a clarion call to action. Yes, the alcoholic tried to give up drinking, but as he walked past the pub, from the pub the clarion call of alcohol played to him. Okay, so clarion, clear and obvious. This is a clarion call for us to do something about this situation. Okay, so clarion. This is a very literary word, a clarion call. I think I'd give it 6.5, 7 in formality. Use it in semi-formal or formal writing. If you use clarion in an informal conversation, people are going to say, what? Clear, obvious, unmissable, something like that. And then the word clarion comes from Old French claron, which itself comes from medieval Latin clario, a trumpet, which itself comes from clarus, clear. Clear. So a clarion call, a clear call. You can even still hear the clear in the word and in the meaning. Okay, so his inability to communicate with his colleagues in English was a clarion call for him to start taking more English classes, or start taking English classes. It's a very clear call. It made the situation obvious. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A clarion call.